All right. So now it's lunchtime or dinner time, right? Whoops. Which I got leftovers now, right? So since yesterday, I just had now about 2 cups again. Is under 800 calories, right? So I microwave it for 3 minutes, right? And yesterday I just had some pork and beans. Nothing real fancy. And Jesus will invite the lame, and you will be in outer darkness with weeping and gnashing of teeth, right? If you don't help the lame, right? See, Moses, again, right, forbid injured people from entering the temple of the Lord, right? Why? Again, he's testing you. Jesus, on the other hand, bid the lame to come to the marriage supper of the Lamb. Right? Why? Well, Mephibosheth, right? Jonathan's only son, right? Whom David helped out and invited to eat at the king's table. Now, when I went into the military, I wasn't lame. When I came out, I was. And that may be all you need to know, right? About it all. Right. I went ahead and finished off the ham for lunch this afternoon, right? And had some chips again. Under 300 calories, both of them. And the sandwich itself ain't over 200, right? Right? Even with the meat and cheese, right? And again, after this meal, right, it's again under 2,000 calories I'm eating, right? Now, some people are under the impression I'm like Norman Bates crazy. No, never was, never was. But the people around me might have been, right? See, I'm trying to do my job, but don't know what to do because I never worked on any of the equipment before, and I don't know what I'm supposed to be working on, right? So when I go to the space, I'm trying to figure out what it is I'm supposed to work on, right? I don't even know, Never seen it before, right? So I'm in the space, trying to do the job, just making sure everything's working, right? Because I don't know what it even looks like, right? They're only giving me what's called the work card, right? Part of the job, right? Now, there are a bunch of books on the shelf, but no one's showing me how that works at all, I know. So I don't know it has anything to do with anything, right? Or if the equipment is in alphabetical order or what book goes with what, right? I don't know. What they're even for. Mm-hmm. Right. Now, like I said, someone showed them to me, but okay, what am I supposed to do with that, right? See, if you give me plan B and not A and B, and there's two parts, I didn't even know that, right? When I got to the ship, right? And don't include me in on it either, not in the division, right? I'm just trying to do the job, right? Now, whose fault is it if I go in normal and come out hearing voices, right? Never reported that before. Mm-hmm. I know. Never went around telling people God's talking to me either, right? Except in the dream. I don't know. And even then, I'm reading the Bible. And trying to figure out what the dream means, like Jesus. As well. Had to do that too. All right. So we're gonna have a little bit of cream soda, and believe it or not, the bubbles help the food go down. Right. Just a little bit of bubbles help the food go down. The food go down. The food go down. In the most peculiar way. That, of course, is a version of Mary Poppins' spoonful of sugar. Lets the medicine go down. Now, after this, I'll rest about an hour. Thomas Barbie's gonna get his butt in trouble.